Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my video. Today, I want to share something useful. Many people ask me this question. They say, how can I practice English at home? Some people think it is not possible, but that is not true. You can do it easily. You don't need a partner. You don't need to go outside. You can learn English in your room. In this video, I will show you simple ways. So, listen carefully till the end. Learning English at home is simple. You can start anytime. You only need time and interest. If you practice daily, you improve fast. Let's see some easy ways. Small daily practice is better. When you use English daily, it feels fun. Your progress will surprise you. You just need patience. The first way is self-talk. Talk to yourself in English. Say what you are doing. Say, I am cooking. Say, I am cleaning my room. Say, I am watching a movie. These sentences help your mind. At first, it may feel funny, but it really works. If you do this daily, confidence grows. You will speak faster. You will speak naturally. Your words will become clear. You will feel less shy. The second way is listening. Listen to English every day. You can listen to YouTube videos. You can listen to podcasts or songs. Even if you don't understand, listen. Your ears get used to English. Day by day, you understand more. Repeat to improve pronunciation. Listen to different accents too. It helps you hear global English. Your listening power will grow. You will catch words quickly. The third way is reading. Read something every day. Read stories, articles, or messages. Read loudly. Read with focus. It helps your speaking. It trains your tongue. Reading teaches sentence structure. More reading gives new ideas. These ideas help with speaking. These ideas help with writing too. Your vocabulary will increase. Your sentences will sound better. You will feel confident. The fourth way is writing. Write a few lines daily. Write about your day. Today I woke up early. I went for a walk. I studied English. Writing helps you remember words. It helps you build sentences. Writing clears the mind. Keep a small English diary. Write thoughts and plans. Write dreams too. Your writing will improve. You will write faster. Your ideas will be clear. Small steps matter. The fifth way is repeating. Watch short English videos. Then repeat the lines. Copy the speaking style. This makes pronunciation better. It helps you sound natural. Pause the video and speak. Line by line helps a lot. This small step changes speaking. Your voice will sound confident. Your speech will feel smooth. Repeating builds power. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Each mistake teaches you. So don't stop learning. Keep going forward. Every mistake is a lesson. Every lesson makes you strong. Mistakes make you better. They guide your progress. Mistakes push growth. Make a simple daily routine. Give 30 minutes for English. 10 minutes of listening. 10 minutes of reading. 10 minutes of writing or speaking. Daily practice grows English fast. Use English while working. Think in English when you cook. Think in English when you walk. Think in English when you travel. This keeps your mind active. English becomes natural. It becomes part of life. It becomes your habit. Soon it feels effortless. Learning English is like a tree. You must water it daily. Slowly, it becomes strong. Same with your English. At first, changes are small. Later, you see big progress. Your effort will show results. Your skill will grow steadily. Keep watering daily. Never skip your practice. So, start today. Practice at home. Speak, listen, read, write. Do it every day. Soon you will speak easily. Soon you will speak confidently. One step a day is enough. Just keep moving. Trust the process. Your hard work will pay off. Now you know the methods. You don't need a class. You don't need a teacher. You just need time. You need focus. You need practice. Do it daily. Don't stop learning. Your English will grow. Practice is the key. Keep learning. Keep smiling. Keep improving. Your journey has begun. Your future in English is bright. Your success will come. Your confidence will rise. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please like. Share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing every day. Stay positive and stay strong. Your English journey will continue. I believe in you. You can do it. Keep growing. A little every day. I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Stay happy and stay motivated. Keep shining with your effort. Your progress makes me proud.